Hi student, how are you? I am Imam Hussain Hawladar, your little sir. We are going to start English class in class 8. So, firstly, we need the topics. I want to say the topics from you. So, firstly, you look a picture in your textbook page number 44. Look, it is the picture. Please, all of my students, gaze. What's the picture? Okay. Now, the picture about a woman. We heard and Shamima, a typical place named Bhavanipur, a extraordinary girl. What's the name her? Her name is Shamima. We are going to start our class. Look, Unit 5, Making Difference. Our lesson 2. Today we are going to start our class lesson 2, Shamima's story. First, we write down the key words from the passage. Look at the blackboard. Stand. Then admiration. Adolescent. Okay, is the key words from the passage, but in the passage there is a phrase nipped in the vein. Nipped in the bud. Nipped in the bud. So, firstly, we want to know, but we try to understand the meaning of the word. Stand. It is used as adjective in the passage. It means astonished. Then admiration. We know what is admiration, but there it used as respect. Adolescent. It's called teenager. When the boys and girls are aged in 13 and 18, it's called teenager. I mean teenaged age and teenaged boys and girls. Nipped in the bud is called destroyed of the beginning of the process of anything. Is called nipped in the bud. Destroyed. So, we heard the meaning of the key words. Now, all of my students, first you read the passage very carefully. it is an online class, so I read out the passage. You heard it very carefully. Look at the page number 47. Shamima started to tell us her story. Listening to her, we were stunned, and at the same time, our hearts were fulfilled with admiration for her. It was 1995. Shamima was 15 years old. She got promoted to class 8. Shamima had all the dreams of an adolescent. She wanted to bring about a change in her life. She wanted to see happiness in her family too. She knew she could fulfill her dream by completing her education and getting a good job. 15-year-old Shamima's dream were nipped in the bud. Her father wanted to marry her off against her will. Marrying off a girl under 18 is against the law in Bangladesh. Shamima did not want to get married, but nobody paid any heed to her. They arranged her marriage with a man much older than her. All her tears and protests went in vain. Shamima was married off to Kamaluddin Juardar. Okay, my dear student, you listened and follow the passage in your textbook, page number 47. Now, we are describe the word meaning. Stand astonished firstly, but now we are going to making sentence from the word. What is astonished? What is stand? Look, stand astonished. We are astonished to see you after 30 years. Clear? We are astonished to see you after 30 years. Then admiration here used as respect. Suppose their respect for each other. Their respect for each other was genuine. Look. Then adolescent, teenage. We heard before sometimes that teenage means when the girls and boys are 13 and 18 years old. So, every teenage has a great dream for his future life. Okay, now we are going to the answer, try to answer the multiple choice question. We know the meaning of the word and we are already read the passage clearly. So look, firstly, MCQ question. Admiration. We know what is admiration. The question. Look, admiration means love, wonder, good and deep feeling, love and respect. We know what is admiration in the passage. It's called the main answer or fully answer ki hobe love, wonder, good feeling, love and respect. So correct answer is feeling, love and respect. Then adolescent. Adolescent means look, boy, girl, young man and deed. A young person aged 13 and 18. So what's the correct answer? You know what is teenaged? Teenaged, aged 13 and 18. So the correct answer is a young person aged 13 and 18. The third question. Arranged. Arranged means, what is arranged means? Arranged. So look, put, kept, reserved, order. We know Shamima's marriage was arranged marriage. Okay, so what is arranged means in the passage? put in order. So it is an arranged message. So here is a put in order or organized both families' decision and make their and arrange their marriage. So it is the right answer, put in order. Okay, my dear student, now you all read the passage again very carefully, because we are going to now open-ended question. We are going to now open-ended question, and you all try to answer the question from the passage. So you must read the passage again very carefully. Okay, I give you some question. Look, the first question. At what age was Shamima married off? Look, what age? We know Shamima got promoted in class 8 when her age was how? When her age was 15, only 15. So, answer the question. We can write at the age of 15. At the age of 15, only 15, no? At the age of 15, Shamima was married off. Okay? At the age of 15, we know Shamima, when her age old, he was only 15 years old, she was married off. So, this question's answer is at the age of 15, Shamima was married off. Okay. The second question. How was Shamima's dream nipped in the bud? Look, we know Shamima has a great and huge dream for her future life, for her family. But when her age was only 15, when he started to see dream for her future life, at that time, all of his dream gone into vain, because he lost his dream for the marriage of her against her will. So, what's the answer? How was Shamima's dream? How? Nipped in the bud. So, Shamima's dream, look, Shamima's dream where Shamima's dream was lived in the bird because কারণ because her father married her against her will because her father married her against her will. He wanted to go high and huge dreams and he want to achieve her dreams and fulfill her dreams, but when her father give her marriage against her will, then all her dreams lived in the bird. He didn't started her work, but his dream gone in vain. So, my dear student, we are going to the next session. What's our next session? Our next session is your homework. I write down to answer the questions and you make question from your home. Try the good and fulfill question. Use WH word. Make question from the following answer. First, look at the blackboard. Hearing to Shamima's story. Hearing to Shamima's story, what? We were stunned. Stunned and kept admiration or respect. Use WH word to make the question. Okay. 2. By completing her education and getting by completing her education and getting a good job, Shamima wanted to look, the two answer. First answer, hearing to Shamima's story, we were stand and kept respect to her. The second answer, by completing her education and getting a good job, Shamima wanted to fulfill her dream. Now, you make question, use WH word and write down on your khata. Then you can reply to me the answer. It's your homework. Okay, my dear student, we are finished our class, Shamima's story. Stay home, be safe, and always continue your lesson in your home. Goodbye.